Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can download Python on your Windows 10 operating system. So I'm going to show you the latest version of Python and how you can download it on your Windows 10 operating system. So firstly you need to go to your browser, then you can search Python. Okay, the first website is showing that python.org. You have to go to this website. Then you have to click on the downloads, then click on the Windows option, then click on the Python 3.12.1. Click on here. Now it will start the download. As you can see, the Python exe file is started to download. So as you can see, it is downloading. So now it will take some time to download. So I'm going back to you after downloading the file. So the file has downloaded successfully. So now I'm going back to my downloads folder of my computer. So this is the file that we downloaded. So now I'm going to install it. I'm going to click it on open. As you can see, this type of a dialog box will open. So then you need to select these two options. So add Python to path, and then select these options as well. Use admin privilege when installing python.exe. So check both the box as well. So now click on the customize installation. Then the features that is features of Python will be downloaded is showing here. So keep the things as it is, the way it is showing, so you don't need to customize any of this. So now you can click on the next. Then as you can see, there is some advanced options is showing. So you have to click on the first option, so install Python 3.12 for all users. Then you can keep the options as it is. So now you can click on download, sorry, install. So the setup progress has been started. So now it is installing. So initializing option is started on your operating system. So now as you can see, the setup progress has been started. So now it will take some time, so keep your patience, man. So as you can see, the installation has been successful. That is showing that the setup was successful. So now you can close it. So now you can search on your taskbar, which is CMD, which will open your command prompt. Click on command prompt. So now we are going to see the version of our Python. So you have to write here Python // version. Okay, then it is showing the Python 3.12.1. This is the latest version of Python that we installed in our machine. So if you want to go to the Python shell, you have to write here py, then hit enter. So now we are in our Python shell. Now we can print whatever we want. So now I'm going to print learn with Sazzad. So close the bracket and hit enter. As you can see, it has been printed my channel name which I wanted to print. So if you want to uh, write your first program on Python, you can go to your taskbar, then search here IDLE. So while installing our Python, you can see there is an option called IDLE which we down installed as well. So now I'm gonna open it. Okay, so this is our Python. So I wanna print something here. Print. So as you can see, that is printed the thing whatever I want to print. So if you want to save this file, you can go to the file, then go to save as. So I'm gonna save it on my desktops, and I'm going to save it my first Python first file, and then extension .py. The Python extension is py. Then I'm gonna save it. Then I'm going to go my desktop. So this is the file that we saved a couple of seconds ago. So this is it. So this is the this is how Python works. So I think if this video will help you a lot. So if you want to make me a tutorial of Python, then you can comment on this video and I will let you know whenever I will start the Python course. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.